Hello guys, Mehul here back again with my regular videos again. So today I have really quite cool website. Like there are actually tons of website like this already available, but it has all of them gathered. That is, it has HTML, CSS, and JavaScript generators, cheat sheet, guide, everything compiled into it. Okay, so let's have a look into it. Then we will discuss what it has and it can do. Okay, so let's just dive into the website. So as you can see, this website has pretty much straightforward name, that is html cssjs.com dash dash dash. Okay, so here is HTML tab. Here you can get a lots of things. Okay, here CSS and here is JS. So for HTML you have editor, as you can see it here. Editor, online editor, interactive cheat sheet, free templates, search character codes like unicodes for the character, then code cleaners, tag lists, a lots of things. Okay, and what actually interesting about it is you can get the generators over here. That is really quite useful, like div tables, image tags, iframes, and all of them. Now in CSS they have pretty much same thing, and actually CSS, those CSS generators are really useful because I have used it myself. So I was actually using border shadow, box shadow. Okay, and here you can do tons of things, like see, and here it is showing as well, like here it is updating live over here and live over here as well. Okay, see, and you can choose it from effects gallery as well. Hover effects, slide effect, button effect, everything is possible. If you want to add new or not, all of the things are possible. So really great CSS generator, because I used it myself. That's why I am telling you that it's great. Okay, and another thing is JS editor, like not editor, like they obviously they have editor. Rather than that, it has compressor, cheat sheet, jQuery. Like jQuery is probably dying out right now, so I don't know if it will be useful or not. Like, and vanilla JS is important to learn on the first place, but uh, no one actually works in vanilla JS nowadays. Like many of them works. This gonna be a like wide out statement. Like I don't wanna give this much bold statement. That is, obviously you have to learn JS, like vanilla JS first. But everyone is like most people is leaning towards a framework, because obviously you will use uh for maybe or React or Angular or Vue, any other, like any other framework that you may love. But still, those are useful. So you can get the compressor over here. It will obviously compress your code. So basically, like easy things. Okay. So those things are available, as you can see, and in this link section, there is also creatives that they have. Like, can I use? So in this link section, they have also backlink to like tons of great site that is actually needed while you are coding. Okay, so can I use is a great website for viewing if the tag, css tag or html tag that you are using, supposed to use in your code, it is valid for how much of the website, like how much of the browser, which versions of the browser and which browser is applicable. So there are really tons of things like this available over here, and in the HTML section as well. Like as you can see, the tags, the cheat sheets, the codes, everything is here. Okay, so really cool thing. And that's basically about it, about this whole website, about this whole thing. This is it. And here they have a editor. Bravo. Nothing else. So really, that's about it about this website. Use it. I don't know if you're gonna love it or not, but it saved me a tons of time while I am coding in my recent project, a client project. So it saved me a lot of time. That's why I am sharing it again, because it helped me. So actually, that's about it about this whole website. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great website like this, Please let me know about them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future video. And happy new year again. So bye for now.